Greetings from the Courtyards at Arden Mills. As you can see, since our last update, a good deal of progress has been made in the construction of this new home. The windows have been installed, the courtyard's been poured, and some of the exterior rough grading has been accomplished. Here's a perspective of the front of the home. To the left, where the windows are, is the sunroom. That area, as well as the entry with the gable roof right in front of us, will be stoned. It'll be a mixture of Catawba and Huron stack stone by a company called Heritage Valley Stone. It's a high quality product with a 50-year warranty. Above you can see the high gable above the garage. That area will be covered with a crane siding product, and it will be finished in an optional shake elevation. So it'll be a distinct architectural effect with the louver and the eyebrow in the center for detail. Now that this palazzo home has come further in construction, you can start to get a better perspective of the beautiful outdoor living area that will be afforded to the homeowner through this courtyard space. Directly in front of us, you can see the sliding glass door where you can come out to the courtyard from your master bedroom and enjoy your coffee under a covered porch. As I pan across here, you can see all the light, bright, and airiness that can come into the home, so you can enjoy the beauty of the courtyard from the inside of your home as you're cooking or entertaining. In the center of the photo, the gray pipe coming up is where a future fire pit will be installed for enjoyable cool nights, sipping a glass of wine or just relaxing around the fire pit. Here's another great interior feature, although very difficult to see from this perspective. Above your garage, that entire area has been decked with OSB, and the trusses are built so that they're boxed out. So this is not like a typical web truss. The way that they were designed, if you can see there, is that it's a high box for an abundant area of storage over top of your already large 2.5 car garage.